The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the iPhone 11 Pro Max from Metro by T-Mobile. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max is available as of September 20th. So here it is. This is the Pro Max. What a fucking name for a phone, right? It's just the most advanced iPhone yet. This one has a 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. Has triple 12 megapixel camera on back and 64 gigabytes of storage. The iPhone 11 Pro Max is $999.99 when you guys switch to Metro by T-Mobile, or it's $1099.99 with retail price already. This phone down with back front back right there. It says here shoot amazing videos and photos with the ultra wide and telephoto cameras capture the best low light photos with night mode, white HDR movies and shows on the 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display, the brightest iPhone display yet. Experience unprecedented performance with A13 Bionic for gaming, augmented reality, and photography, and get all-day battery life and a new level of long resistance. All in the first iPhone powerful enough to be called apart. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max is available in two colors. You have midnight green, or you have space gray right there. So the iPhone 11 Pro has a 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, water and dust resistance 4 meters for 30 minutes, IP68 rating for that. Triple camera system with 12 megapixel ultra wide and telephoto cameras, night mode, portrait mode, and 4K videos up to 60 frames per second. You also have a 12 megapixel true depth front camera with portrait mode and 4K videos and slow motion. Alright. You also have Face ID for secure authentication with Apple Pay, A13 Bionic chip with 3rd generation neutral engine, fast charge with 18 watt adapter included, so that's a win. Wireless charging, iOS 13 with dark mode, and you need ID verification for insurance, so that's very interesting as well. So this will say the same thing for the iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max, and keep it in mind. It says pro cameras, pro display, pro performance, alright? It says an description of the details. 4 new textured matte glass finishes, 5.8 inches or 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display, and the toughest glass in a smartphone. 3 cameras that go like one. You have ultra wide and telephoto cameras on the back. You have the highest quality video in the smartphone. Shoot 4K video with extended dynamic. Shoot 4K videos with extended dynamic frame at 60 frames per second. Capture 4 times more scenes, and edit with new tools like rotate, crop, and filters. High tech meets low light. From dimly lit restaurants to sunsets in the woods. The new night mode delivers natural, more lit shots, automatically. Lots more power, lots more battery life. Get up to 5 more hours of battery life with iPhone 11 Pro Max and up to 4 with the iPhone 11 Pro. Fast charge with the included 18-watt adapter and A13 Bionic neutral engine, the fastest chip in a smartphone. So like the iPhone 11 Pro, the iPhone 11 Pro Max comes with the 18-watt adapter, so that is a win. Privacy is built in. Face ID is the most secure facial identification in a smartphone, and it doesn't store or share your photo, because with iPhone, your privacy comes first. Spicy is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. You have 64 gigabytes of storage, 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, triple camera system with 12 megapixel ultra wide and telephoto cameras, night mode, portrait mode, and 4K videos up to 60 frames per second. Low hotspot up to 30 hours of talk time, iOS 13, A13 Bionic with 3rd generation neutral engine. I don't know how accurate that weight is. I don't know how accurate that is. Pretty sure it's not accurate. Here are some tips for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you guys want to get accessories for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, go to Amazon. So there you guys have it. The iPhone 11 Pro Max is now available at Metro by T-Mobile. It is $9.99.99. You can now switch to Metro by T-Mobile, or it's $10.99.99. Alright. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it's not a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.